So in previous session we have learned about what is a blog and how it will differ from a website. So now let's understand from scratch how to make a blog. First of all, after login by your Gmail account, you will get this particular page. Click on this link, that is a create blog button. Then give the title of this particular blog. Suppose I just want to give the name of my college, Sanatan Dharma College. Then move to next. It will ask you about the blogspot address of your blog, or you can say the URL of your blog. I'll just use SD CAMB. See, this is already used by someone and just used to write 2020. So this blog address is available. Let's save this file. So here is the interface of blogging. When you want to post or when you create pages, then by this interface you can do that. See, here is the post part. Let's understand how to use this part. Just click on new post. See, you will get a box here to type your text, what you want to write here. See, I'll just simply write some text about like HTML, or as it is about my college, Sanatan Dharma College, Ambala. So let me write some text about my college. Okay, just copy from here and just simply type here, paste here. Okay, so here are the parts, post settings, how to if you want to make setting. See, here you can get formatting tools also. So if you want to change the formatting of this text, you can do that by selecting this. You can make it bold. If you want to change the color, then you can change the color also. Okay, so any formatting tool, many formatting tools are there. You can use any of them. Labels, see, separate labels by commas. Labels means like it is about my college. If you want to give a name label, just like about college, so you can give that. Then next is published on. When you want to publish this particular page, particular post on web, so here is the timing. If you want to set it, date and time, you can set it here. Otherwise, select the automatic button. Then here is the link, that is the permanent link. So it is the automatic link generated by this blog. If you want to create a custom permanent link, so just by this you can create this. Simply you can write that is the first page. So it will now it will now access by the name first.html. Location, if you want to select any location from here. Another options, that reader comments, you want to allow or do not allow, show existing or do not allow, hide existing. So any settings you can select from here. Before publish, you can see preview from here, that how your blog post will look like. So here is the post, it will look like this. Here is the September 18 date and the text here coming. So as I have just added some text, that is why it is showing only this text, and it is the name of my blog. So here is the preview blog. Just now if you want to publish it, so just click on publish. It will ask you, this will publish this post to your blog, confirm. So now this post is published. From here you can make any changes, apply labels to this post. If you want to delete this post, it is the view button. By this you can see the live preview of your blog. So here is the live preview of your blog part. Okay, so the name of your blogger is SDCAMB 2020 followed by .blogspot.com, and next is the name of your page, that is first.html. So here is the simple way to create a blog post. Create a post in your blog.